Hey guys, so welcome to WordsAtScale. So in this video, I will review one of the hottest niches that I've discovered using one of my exclusive cloud skills. This is a post just 1 month ago on Reddit that started this all. And you just know when the niche is good, when the author is asking whether there is a master post here somewhere on a topic. And when you see that, you know you've just uncovered a huge niche gap. So the niche is called Apron Belly, the non-surgical authority, which is a body-positive content niche where plastic surgery clinics dominate Google and nobody is building the non-surgical playbook. The Google gap is partial, the YouTube gap is complete, and the ranking is very easy. And I'm scoring this niche 84 out of 100. So who is this niche for? A non-surgical authority for the 50 million plus adults living with apron belly and loose skin. Again, the post, a very recent post just 1 month ago that started it all, was asking, is there a master post on how to prevent loose skin? And it's gotten 286 upvotes and over 100 comments. And the hard truth is that Google's top results are Time Attack, Clinic SEO, Healthline, Reddit. They all keep talking about the surgical solutions, and people who've lost 30 plus pounds, they don't want to do surgery, they want timelines, compression garment buyer guides, exercise routines, and emotional acceptance content. The exact stuff plastic surgeons will never publish because they sell surgery, not advice. Now, this niche is only growing. It's projected to be huge, and you have a unique advantage over other people who are looking to enter lucrative blogging niches. And there are 5 different angles you can take with this niche. You can enter this niche with a prevention master guide. This is what the initial author of the Reddit post was asking about. You can provide apron-ready belly reduction timelines, compression garment buyer guides, living with loose skin, which is more on an emotional and psychological side. You can talk about effects of Ozempic, for example, on apron belly, and your monetization stack is quite diverse. There are different products you can talk about, like Spanx and Honey Love Compression, Vital Proteins, Body Positive Apparel, display ads, and the RPMs are pretty high on this one. And these are your primary anchor seeds that you can plug into your favorite keyword research tool of choice right now, which is loose skin after weight loss, apron belly, how to tighten loose skin, pen stomach, fupa or fupa, saggy skin after weight loss, skin tightening without surgery, loose skin removal. And the YouTube gap is complete. There's like 3 to 5 dedicated channels, mostly time attack before and afters. No educational creator owns this space. Now, whenever I'm deciding on whether to enter a niche or not, I'm using the same process over and over again that I teach in my school community. And by the way, the previous niche share, which was this one, LDR immigration, it was immediately tried by one of our students, and he told me in private that he is already ranking #1 in this niche. So this is amazing. And I posted this 7 days ago. So these are the results that you can expect from my community. Now, first, the niche description. We've done that. That's what the deck was for. Now we need to validate the niche. So since I'm using Claude a lot, I also got a lot of seed keywords with my data for SEO integration. So what I ended up doing is pasting those keywords in a tool like Lowfruits, which is one of my favorite keyword research tools. Just by looking at the results, I immediately knew this was golden. So you see lots of keywords in the green. And if you want to apply a strict filter, which is SERP difficulty score, 1 is the maximum lowest possible difficulty. And out of 90 keywords, I've gotten almost 40 keywords back that are extremely low competition. So almost half of these keywords are extremely low competition. Keywords like non-surgical versus surgical skin tightening, is apron belly permanent, do you have to have surgery to remove apron belly, stuff like that. So this is extremely low competition. And I will share these keywords inside of my school community. That's what I do. And then if this wasn't enough, you can actually run 3 of my prompts, which is product gap, question gap, and data gap. And I have associated skills that I share in my community. This one is product gap, this one is question gap, data gap is coming along. But you can actually use a simpler version and fire up something like Perplexity or Genspark. Let's use Perplexity in this case. So all you have to do is go on Perplexity, then choose Reddit as the only connector, social, that's Reddit. And all you have to do is fire up each of these prompts. So this is a product gap, which is a prompt that searches for undervalued products. So the niche is Apron Belly. Let's repeat the process and I'll pause so we can copy the prompt. Now let's repeat this process with the question gap, which follows a similar methodology. We are finding underserved, unanswered questions on Reddit. So again, our topic is apron skin, and the exact same methodology applies to our data gap. These are data-driven, statistic-driven questions. And once again, we'll use Perplexity. You can also use GenSpark. It's pretty good with Reddit. You can use Claude. And inside of my school community, I teach you how to install Reddit to use for free in Claude Code, from Belly. And what this does, together with these 40 extremely low condition keywords, you will get 3 additional keyword sets that you can target and get traffic. To show you that it works, I've used the exact same method in a super hard niche. Brand new website that completely bypassed Sandbox. And again, this is the same 4-step method, same keyword research method to get clicks and rankings in a super difficult niche. Okay, let's check Perplexity. These are the most important underserved questions about apron skin, 20 of those, and the final list of questions that have genuine content gaps. Also, there is a bunch of data gaps. At what weight does apron belly disappear? Statistical analysis. Paniculectomy insurance coverage, approval rate statistics. Apron belly surgery cost, comprehensive price analysis 2026. Apron belly prevalence, how common is it? So these are real questions people are asking, and you can use them to enter the niche and start ranking tomorrow. Once again, all this is going to be in my community. I have a search gap method that helps you rank in 24 to 48 hours. I have a very ambitious Claude SEO autopilot project, which is built together. I also provide classes on Vibe SEO, and I also have a self-sufficient niche hunter course. Again, the last niche I shared it together with keywords, and one of my students is already ranking in that niche 7 days later. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.